Okay, check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Oh, come on here. All right, lesson 120. The last math lesson. I'm just joking. No, I'm not joking. It is the last math lesson, but it's not sad. But it is sad that you guys are going to be middle schoolers next year. But that's okay. As long as you come visit me, it's going to be okay. All right. I'm going to make this one be really super long because I'm not ready for you guys to grow up yet. All right, I guess I won't. All right, lesson 120. You're like, Miss Sparks, come on. All right. No, it's okay. But I'll probably be doing that the whole time because it for real does make me so sad. Multiplying mixed numbers. To multiply mixed numbers, we changed mixed numbers to improper fractions before we multiply. So you've got mixed numbers, 2 and 1/2. The mix, what's the mix? Why is it mixed? Because there's 2 wholes and there's fractions. Whole numbers and fractions, it's whole circles and half circles, and they just don't mix because they're not the same, okay? Wholes and halves, well, that's not even half. I won't even do it with pictures because I'm just trying to take up time so that you guys won't grow up. Just joking. Okay. 2 and 1/2 changed to a mixed number is 5 halves, right? Because 2 can go into 5 2 times with 1 left over, which would make it 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5, so 5 halves. The denominators always stay the same. You're going to say, Miss Sparks, we can't work with denominators that aren't common denominators. Yes, you can. It's all part of growing up. Okay, I'm just joking. Kind of. And so you're going to have 5 halves times 3 times 1 plus 2, 5 thirds, okay? Then what you're going to do is multiply the numerators. 5 times 5 is 25. Then multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 is 6. Then change it back to a mixed number, okay? So 6 can go into 25 4 times with 1 left over. And your denominator stays well, it doesn't stay the same. Look at that. It's different, 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 but then it's the same because you know how to convert mixed numbers back to, improper fractions to a mixed number. You've been doing it in your power-ups for a while now. So I know you know how. You're growing up so fast. Okay. I need to get over myself. I can't though. Okay. Steps to multiplying mixed numbers. Step number 1, multiply the numerator. I crunched that in there. That says numerator. Step 2, multiply the denominator. Step 3, reduce if needed. I forgot to say, step 0, change it to an improper fraction. So this is actually not mixed numbers. This is improper fractions. You can't multiply mixed numbers. All you can do is multiply improper fractions. Okay? Steps to multiplying improper fractions. I hope you did this in pencil. If you follow directions, then yours will look much neater than mine. All right. Example 1, multiply 1/5 times 4 1/2. Well, 1/5 changes to, lo and behold, 1/5 because it's not actually a mixed number. And 4 1/2 is going to change to 9 halves. Then, in step number 1, multiply the numerator. 1 times 9 is 9. Multiply the denominator. 5 times 2 is 10. And then, that's it. This is an odd number. This is an even number. 3 can go into that. 3 can't go into that. You can't reduce that. That is as reduced as it's going to get. Okay? Example number 2. Multiply 3 times 2 1/3. Wow. 3 doesn't have a denominator. So what is that as a fraction? 3 wholes. Okay, 3 whole circles. You're going to use 1 as the denominator. And then you're going to change 2 1/3 to a mixed number, and you're going to get 7/3. Then you're going to multiply straight across. 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 times 3 is 3. And you're going to simplify, and look, 3 can go into 21 7 times. Our answer is this even 7. Wow. Wow. We can do it. This isn't actually that hard. Miss Sparks, this is so easy. Yay! That's what I love to hear, especially in the last math lesson I'll ever teach you. Okay. If you're listening at this point, draw a big frowny crying face next to your examples. Lesson practice A. 1 1/2 times 1 3/4. B, 3 1/2 times 1 2/3. C, 3, but 3 is not a fraction. Oh, yes it is. 3 wholes times 2 1/2. 4, D, 4, but 4 is not a fraction. Oh, yes it is. It's 4 wholes. 4 1-whole circles times 3 2/3. Lesson practice E, 1/3 times 2 1/3. F, 1/6 times 2 5/6. I don't want this video to end because that signals the end of the year, and then I cry because I miss you guys so much. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.